Welcome to a quick demo of Zometric In-Process Quality Intelligence and SPC module. Most factories don't have a quality problem. They have a timing problem. In-process quality data exists, but it's captured late, analyzed later, and acted upon when it's already too late. That's why defects keep happening. Zometric fixes the timing problem. Let's start with how data comes in. Operators can capture data through simple digital forms designed to match your existing inspection sheets. A patrolling QC team member can simply scan a QR code using a tablet and instantly land on the right data capture or analysis screen based on where they are on the shop floor. Designed for shop floor usability, so teams actually use it. You can also connect gauges, wired or Bluetooth, for seamless semi-automatic data capture. And if you already have automated inspection systems or machine data, Zometric connects to your existing lines through standard integrations. Historical data can also be added instantly, just copy-paste, like Excel. So you don't need full automation to get started. You can begin with what you already have. Most plants start seeing actionable insights within days, not months. Now here's where things change. As soon as data is captured, it flows into live control charts. No batch processing, no delays. If your process starts drifting, Zometric detects it instantly, using standard SPC rules like Nelson rules along with spec limits. You get an alert immediately, and with one click, you land exactly at the point where the issue began. From here, your team can investigate, record root cause, and close the loop, all in one place. So instead of discovering defects later, you prevent them in real time. Zometric doesn't just help you control quality in real time, it gives you complete visibility into how your operations are performing. Track key quality metrics like DPMO and defect Pareto, monitor process capability across lines, products, and characteristics, and measure the impact of every improvement initiative, all within the same system. So every action taken on the shop floor is visible, measurable, and continuously improving your process. This is not just SPC. And it's not just dashboards. This is a real-time, in-process quality control system. This typically translates into faster response to deviations, reduced rework and scrap, and improved process capability. Let's take your data and show this live for your plant.